Hey guys, good morning. So I want to talk a little bit about DKNG and what Jesus. This is like the first time I've seen the chart in like a while. Wow, this looks super ugly, man. What the hell? Yeah, I'm not even surprised, honestly. I mean, you had a trend, you had major trend break back here at like at a close of 43.46. I would have been shorting right here immediately all the way down. This is pretty sad, to be completely honest. I mean, let me see. What would have actually been like a solid target price? Oh no, that would have been target would have been super close. Yeah, there's no way to have known like what target is. Yeah, no, that wouldn't have worked. Possibly the regular fibs. Let's see. Oh wait, sorry, did it? Gotta do it the other way. Fibs up here, and then down here. I forgot how to. I'm forgetting how to forecast. Jesus. Um. Anyways, yeah, it's dipping hard, man. I don't know what to tell you guys. Like this is I did not expect to see this bad of a chart for DKNG. Um, where are we at right now? Yeah, I think next stop is gonna be 23 something. Honestly, and really that's just going by like major support, right? I mean, you're at 26. There's no resistance or support here, right? Between 23 bucks and 32 bucks. Yeah, there's really nothing. There's like really almost nothing, to be honest. So I gotta it has to be like 23.46. I think you're gonna keep going down to 23.46. There's no major resistance or support here. There's no signs of any kind of reversal happening for DK and G. So especially with there being like no support around this level, I mean you might bounce around here for a little bit, but I think ultimately you're going down to $23 and like 50-ish cents. I think that's a pretty, I wouldn't even say reasonable. I say that's more than likely going to happen. Like this is going to keep dropping, especially with the SPY dropping right now. It actually dropped from 466 to 462. Pre-market already. I can't imagine we see a recovery on that. That's absolutely insane that it dropped that much. But yeah, I think DKNG is going to keep dropping. I mean, especially because it's not one of the bigger players in the market. Usually when you're around these levels, you end up having some sort of reversal, but I wouldn't count on that happening all that much. Like you have to wait for that full bullish week to close bullish, right? You need a little red dot like this, right? See how like a little red dot gets created? Boom. Red dot created, rally. Red dot created, rally. So I wouldn't even look into buying DKNG until you have confirmation of a little red dot of a bullish week being closed. But as of right now, yeah, it easily looks like it's going to drop down to 23.50 or so. So I'll see. I don't even need to do too much TA on this, honestly. Like it's just been consistently in a very strong downtrend. Like look at that. I mean, if I had a bigger screen, like I would. Let me see. Major trends, major trends, major trends. Yeah, like it just looks ugly, man. Everything looks really ugly right now. I mean, you can see small bounces possibly. Like I mean, you can probably see a bounce like back up to here, maybe trade sideways for a bit, whatever. But I think ultimately you're gonna come back and go down to 23.50. It just looks like that. I mean, like I said, you can probably trade around here for a little bit, this range, sideways, up, down, whatever. But I think it's going down to 23.46. To be honest, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.